Wanna know how to install Toca Boca app on your Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step simple guide on how you can easily do it in just under a minute. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, we need a Play Store since we are on our Android. So just simply open up your Play Store. So now once you open it up, here below you should be seeing source bar right here. Just simply like that. And here you should be seeing the source bar popping up. Just simply type in Toca Boca, and the first here you should be seeing Toca Boca World built by Toca Boca. So you can just simply select that, and here you can just simply directly select install or scroll down and see what the game is about. See its video, see its trailer, its screenshots, and what this game is about, and also reviews as well. Now you can just simply select install right here, and it should be installed, and that's it. After a while you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.